Alright, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to withdraw from FundedNext. But before that, make sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Now, let's jump straight into it. First thing first, head over to your FundedNext dashboard. Once you're in, pick the account you want to withdraw from. Now, check out the menu on the left side of your screen. You're gonna click on Payout. You can see withdrawable profit. This is the total amount of payout funds that are currently available for you to withdraw, that you want to make sure if you've got at least $20 in there. Now, to actually request a payout, you can click on Payout Request. If you got at least $20 in your profit, you can click on Payout Request button. Then you will be asked to choose your payment method. You can withdraw to stablecoins, or you want to send it directly to your bank account. Then you will be asked to enter your bank details, such as location and other usual stuff. And once that's done, FundedNext will process your request and you'll get an email notification once it's confirmed. Now in my case, I don't have a payout yet since my balance is still $0, but if you got at least $20 or more, the option should be available for you. And that's it for today, guys. I hope this video helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.